As global weather patterns shift, the increasing intensity of heavy rainfall has turned our reliance on historical flood data into a dangerous operational liability. For decades, the industry standard for flood safety was a 3-foot plinth elevation. Relying on that historical benchmark today often leads to bankruptcy. It is a concept known as the Plinth Myth. Intensive urbanization has weaponized surface runoff, rendering those historical protection heights completely insufficient. This vulnerability is driven by the Basin Effect, where rapid concretization alters natural drainage paths. To maintain municipal mobility, new roads are frequently elevated 12 to 24 inches higher than legacy factory plots. This creates a dam that redirects surface runoff from the road crown directly into the factory compound. Topographically, these sites now function as low-point collection zones for municipal runoff. For modern facilities, the focus has shifted from total submergence to the tactical hazard of the 2-inch breach. Standing water here infiltrates the base vents of floor-mounted electrical panels and sensitive CNC systems. Physical repair costs for a fried control panel are often limited to 20 lakhs. However, global supply chain delays and recalibration queues can trigger a 4-month production halt, resulting in 15 crores of lost revenue. A minor ingress level creates a massive liquidity crisis by stopping the entire operation. Risk management must shift from a reactive stance to a proactive audit. Manufacturers must conduct plinth and drainage audits before the monsoon to measure their specific topographical risk. Critical assets must be physically elevated, and your insurance coverage must be synced with the actual timeline of a production shutdown. Ethika partners with industrial leaders to manage this modern risk profile. By auditing for the 2-inch breach, manufacturing continues even when the surrounding roads act as dams.